Today I have a brand new method for you to make a lot of money. This method is going to blow your mind. The reason it's going to blow your mind is because it is so easy to do. You know, we are living in a world where we are looking for easy money now. It doesn't mean that you clap your hands and money falls from the sky, but it means that you can actually do something very, very simple and actually get reasonable money for doing that. And for such opportunities, they're very hard to find, but when you have time or you have the opportunity to find them, you need to make the most out of these opportunities. I want to take this time today to share with you this opportunity because it's so easy to do and it's something that you can do from anywhere. You can do this whilst you're in bed, whilst you're walking, whilst maybe you're on the toilet, whilst you're taking a bath. It doesn't really matter because that's how easy it is. This is not something where you need skills, you need experience, you need a lot of computer skills to do this. No, this is something that is absolutely easy and it's very straightforward to do. Now, what I'm going to show you today, it's absolutely free, which means that you don't have to pay to sign up or anything like that. There are no registration fees, so you don't need to worry about spending any money to do this. And what's great about this is that you can either choose to do this on your phone or on your computer. So depending on what you prefer, you can choose whichever device you desire to use. Now, one great thing about this as well is that it's available worldwide, which means that wherever you are coming from, whether it's in America or South America or Europe or even Africa or Asia or Australia, it doesn't matter. You can actually get access to this opportunity. So before I show you this method, please do me a favor. Just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free to do. Just click subscribe. It would really help me a lot. And just turn on all post notifications. The reason why you want to turn on all post notifications is so that anytime I have a new video, you don't need to go around looking for it, but you'll directly get a notification about my new video and you can easily be able to watch it. So the website I want to show you today is called BigToken. It's bigtoken.com. Now, BigToken, as you can see over here, they say get paid for your data. Get paid for your data. So basically, this might seem a bit confusing. What do you mean by get paid for your data? Some people call it data, some people call it data. Now, what it means is basically, you know, people are always looking for the right people to send advertisements to. That is the whole issue with the internet. We want to make sure that if we send an advertisement that concerns computers, we want it to go to somebody who likes computers. If we send advertisement concerning foods and fashion, we want to make sure that the people we're sending the advertisements to, they actually are fans of food, they're interested in fashion. We don't want to send something that has to do with fashion to somebody who has no interest in fashion. So this is a platform where you can actually do fun things by answering certain questions, and basically the questions is going to provide this BigToken website with a bit of information about the things you like. So basically they will know what kind of advertisements to send you based on the things you like, and they're going to pay you for actually providing that information. That is what is wonderful about this, and it's so easy to do. Now, for example, what is BigToken? BigToken is a secure platform that empowers you to realize and claim the value of your digital self. You have a right to privacy, awareness, and choice when it comes to the data you put out into the digital world. With Big, you can own and earn from the data while staying connected to your community. So, for example, when we scroll down over here, we're going to see what can you do or what you can do. The first thing is share data about you and your interests. So they're going to ask you a few questions. Maybe, do you like sports? What is your favorite sports? Do you like animals? What is your favorite animals? Are you a fan of dogs? What do you think about cats? Are you a person that likes a beard or doesn't like a beard, likes a mustache? They want to ask you so many different kinds of questions from all aspects of life. What is your favorite brand? Are you a fan of Adidas? Do you like Nike? Do you like Gucci, Louis Vuitton? What don't you like? What are the brands you don't like? So simple questions that they're going to be asking you. And whilst you're answering these questions, they actually pay you to answer these questions. And that is what is so nice about this. It's not something you're just doing for fun. This is something that they're actually paying you to do. Now, over here you can see refer friends and family to build your network. So anytime you refer a friend, you're going to receive points. Now, these points are actually points that you use to convert into money, which I'll explain to you and show you a demonstration. You actually exchange points into money. So when you refer a friend or a family and they also join this big token website, you're going to earn points. So the more friends you refer, the more points you get, which means more money for you. So as you see here, manage your data and privacy in and out of the app. In and out of the app, which simply means that this is available on the Play Store and on the App Store. So you just want to go, if you're using an Android phone, you want to go straight onto the Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you want to go onto the App Store and download it. It's called Big Token. So step one, you want to sign up for free. So it's absolutely free to sign up. You just want to put in your email, a few details about yourself, and you should get an account. Then step 2, share your data and earn points. Answer surveys, check into locations, connect your social accounts, and more. For example, would you consider yourself to be an early adopter of new products and technologies? So it's either no or yes. And by answering this, they're going to give you 10 points. Now, shopping. Do you shop at Target? You're going to put yes or no, and they're going to give you 10 points. So this is absolutely, it's so easy to do. And at the end of the day, you can convert your points into money and then withdraw your money, which you can later use to do whatever you want to do. Now, step 3, manage your digital data. Decide which pieces of data to share on the marketplace and who can buy access to it. So you just want to put in a few details, maybe on the Department of Military, house, oven, animals. There's so many things you can put out, and you can choose who gets access to buy it. Some people want to buy your data, which simply means they want to buy your information, which is not about your personal information. It's not about where you live or anything about, or bank accounts or anything like that. It's more about things you like, the kinds of things you like, sports, animals, houses, that kind of stuff, so that if in case they do want to send you an advert, they know what to send you. So it just makes it easier for them not to just send random adverts to people who would just skip the advert because it's not in their interest. So they just want to make sure that they get information from you, so that anytime they send you an advert, they know that you're a person that actually likes this kind of stuff. Over here, as you can see, you have 7,937,278 points, and that accumulates to $1,239 US. So if you're ready to withdraw your money, you just want to click on the green button, which is redeem. Then you will redeem your money, and then you can use it however you want to. They will be paying you directly to your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to make sure that you get a PayPal account. It's absolutely easy to do. Go to paypal.com, create an account. It's free, and then you just want to connect it to your Big Token account so that they can actually send for the money to your PayPal account, at which you can then withdraw. So as you can see, this is the amount of points which accumulates to this amount of dollars. So every activity has a certain amount they pay. For example, they paid 5 points here, 20 points here, and so on and so forth. So it's absolutely cool, a cool thing that I want to show you guys. And over here you see, get it on Google Play or App Store. So when you click on About Us over here, you're going to get over here, which will just provide you with just a bit of information. You see here, we believe it's time to break down the barriers dividing consumers from the data they produce, which simply means that they're sick and tired of not knowing to whom they should actually send adverts to whom they should, to send certain emails to. For example, you probably receive maybe emails concerning things that you're really not interested in at all. So it's actually a waste of time for people lately. That is what is going on. So now people are sick and tired of that, and Big Token wants to make sure that they get information about everyone so that they know that, okay, this person likes cars, so let's only send things that have to do with cars to him. Okay, this person doesn't like animals, so we're not going to bother sending things that have to do with animals to him. So it makes it really easier, and there's more growth and more money that people can actually make. And you see their mission, they say, our mission, provide everyone in the internet choice, transparency, and compensation for their digital data. So there's no information you provide that you will not get compensated for. You get paid for every single action that you do, everything you do. For example, do you shop at Mango? Yes or no? If you put no or yes, you're gonna get an extra 3 points. So it's something that is absolutely great. The reason I want to show you this is that it's so easy to do. This is something if you're at home, you have nothing to do, just answer a few things and get some extra money into your account. It's not so difficult to do. You're not doing any computer programming or analysis of any high definition technology of some sort where you need experience. No, this is something where I could ask you this question: do you shop at Mango? And you would say yes, but I'm not going to pay you for that. But why don't you come onto Big Token and answer that question and get paid? Makes sense, right? Well, that's exactly why I wanted to show you this. So I hope this helps you. This is basically what I want you to look up. It's Big Token. This is the logo over here. There's a B, a blue B, and all you need is basically you just want to sign up, absolutely free, and you can find it on the Play Store and the App Store, and just enjoy it to the most. Just enjoy it. Basically answer a couple of questions and refer your friends and family and get a lot of points. And then you just want to convert the points into money. And if you don't have a PayPal account, just go straight onto PayPal right now and create an account. It's free. It's very easy, straightforward procedure. And then you want to link it to your Big Token account, and that's it. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope this helps you. I hope that you actually are able to make as much money as possible. If you do have any questions or something's bothering you or you don't understand anything, just comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer as many people as possible. And like this video, it would really help me. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video to help you make more money online, you'll easily be able to watch it. And also comment down below from which country you are coming from. I would also like to know so that I can find out more ways to make more money concerning your country. Thank you so much for the support. It's AD. Cheers.